Hello, this is Louis from How to Internet, and today we'll be looking at how to create a video with two audio streams and importing that into Hitfilm Express. So the software I'm using is OBS, which is a free software for desktop recording, and we're going to go through the setup for that. So you go into settings, on output, you make sure that your recording is set to have two audio tracks. I'm currently recording, so I can't change it. So two audio tracks, and you set the quality. You always put it the highest and name it. I've got desktop and I've got mic. And over here in settings, you go to advanced audio properties, and here you can decide on what is what channel or track. So my first track, I'm recording the desktop audio, which should be the normal sounds. Here's test sound. And then for track 2, I have my microphone. Okay, so here we go. So that's been recording. Okay, so now we have a video file and we need to separate the audio. The application I use for this is called Audacity, and it's a free application you can download. It just needs a little bit of a setup. Okay, inside Audacity you need to download two plugins. The one is to convert to MP3, the other one is to load from video. I will post all the links in the description. Basically, here's the one download, here's the other download. Okay, then you load your audio file. Okay, select those channels. Okay, and then you'll have your you'll have your desktop sound, and you will have the mic. It's me just messing around. Okay, now we need to save them into different audio files. So what we'll do is we'll mute the one, and we go export as MP3, and we'll call this mic. And we'll unmute this. I'll export this. I'll call this desktop. And that's it. Okay, now we can go to Hitfilms. Already made a blank project. We import the video and the sounds. Video 1 and audio 1. So audio 2, which should be the same. And then we have our audio 3. We basically, okay, we need to put it over that one. Okay. And that's it. I'd like to thank you for watching. And once again, this is Louis from How to Internet.